It's the #1 podcast for cleaning business owners. Candid Cleaning Conversations.
Cleaning conversations, candid cleaning conversations, candid cleaning conversations, candid cleaning conversations.
If you are looking to grow your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond, join Tenacity Academy Mentorship Program.
Okay, everybody, welcome back to the podcast. Okay, so today I have a great topic for you guys. Today's topic is anyone can do this. I have some people that may feel like they can't do it because they're going through certain things in life. No babysitter, no money, might not have nowhere to live right now. Maybe you're living from house to house, I'm just here to let you guys know that I am living proof that you can do this. You can become a successful business owner. I'm living proof. If I can do it, I really truly feel like anybody can do it. For me, people know I have a felony on my background. Okay, so I am not my background is not squeaky clean. I've been homeless before. Okay, I've dropped out of 9th grade. Okay, I repeated the 9th grade twice and then I dropped out. Okay, so the last grade I ever passed was 8th grade. Okay, so I am not perfect. I had my first child when I was 19 years old. Okay, 19 years old. And then after that, it was baby after baby, project life, baby daddy after baby daddy. Okay, so I've been there before. I've been exactly where a lot of you guys are at, and I was able to come out of all of that. Okay, I started a cleaning company. That is what I did, and now I'm proud to say that our cleaning company is grossing $500,000 a year. So this is our $500,000 mark right now for 2021. Yahoo! Okay, so congratulations to my company, Tenacity Clean. A lot of blood, sweat, tears went into this grind, but I just wanted to give a little motivation to you guys, man, let y'all know. A lot of people want to know, how did you do it? How did you do it? Listen, first of all, I want y'all to stop thinking that you have to spend all this money on courses and stuff like that, because a lot of you guys are taking courses and not even executing them things. You know what I mean? If you are not passionate about the free stuff first, utilize YouTube University. Okay? I mean, that's what I did. When I was broke and I didn't have no money, I utilized all the free stuff. Utilize that free stuff first, because if you're not in the habit of training your brain to learn every night, okay, if you're not in the habit, if you're not passionate about this whole cleaning business thing, then you're not going to make it to the next level. You really, really, really have to lock in. I need all of you guys. If you're really serious about getting to that 6-figure level, lock in right now. Okay? Playtime is over, especially if you're my age. If you're in your 30s, 40s, playtime is over. It's over with. It's time for you to start getting your credit right. It's time for you to go ahead and get your LLC, EIN number. It did not even, the thing that really, 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 really dawned on me was, I used to get turned down for $9 an hour jobs, right? Because I had something on my background. And all I had to do was have a mindset shift and create a company, come up with a company. It didn't cost much for me to get an LLC. It was less than $300 for me to get an LLC. Okay, the EIN number was free, and my insurance was probably, I would say the insurance to get it started was less than $300 too. You know what I mean? So a lot of you guys, y'all blow that money on eating out. So it's worth the investment. The cleaning supplies, man, cleaning supplies, you can get cleaning supplies from the dollar store. You can go to Walmart and get a vacuum mop. Come on, man. It does not take a lot to get this thing started. Y'all gotta lock in. You can make some real money with a cleaning company, man. But the real growth is gonna come when you start outsourcing the work. But right now, I always coach people to do the work first. You know what I mean? Learn your accounts first and then train somebody else to do it, because that's how I did it. So that's the way I teach. I teach what I know, There are certain people that just strictly outsource the work. You can do it that way too. I've never done it that way. I've been a little scared to do it that way. You know what I mean? Now, there are certain things that I do outsource that I know nothing about, which is carpet cleaning. I know nothing about carpet cleaning. I outsource that. But as far as cleaning, I like to know my accounts from top to bottom, just in case something happened and I have to jump in there and save the day. That's just me. That's how I operate, though. Okay, you might run your business totally different. Okay, but I'm just saying, the cleaning industry. Me starting a cleaning business, it changed my life. Okay. It took me out of the projects. Okay. I was going from project to project to project to project to project. Okay. And my life did not change until I decided to get an LLC. Okay. First, I had to not be scared of failure. Because I did fail the first time. My very first cleaning company was called Georgia's Heavenly Cleaners. I had to file bankruptcy on it. Okay, I always tell my story how I filed bankruptcy on my first cleaning company. Then I decided to start another cleaning. I moved all my clients to another LLC, and I started over fresh with Tenacity Clean, and that's who we are today. Okay, but I wasn't afraid to fail. I was already at rock bottom. So what the fuck are you scared for if you're already broke? Like, why are you afraid? What the hell are you afraid for, man? You know what I'm saying? You got to get tired of having your boss tell you when you can take a day off, when you can go take a bathroom break. Like, come on, you in your 30s and 40s and you got grown people telling you when to take a fucking break. No, like, I don't know about y'all, but that type of stuff used to get to me real, real bad. Like, real bad. I've never stayed on a job longer than 6 months. I'm the 6-month girl. I never lasted more than 6 months on a job. Okay. Now, when I did work a job, I would say that I was a great employee. I was one of those employees that showed up on time. I was one of those employees that tried to do the very best job I can do in whatever I was doing. You know what I mean? And those are great habits because you carry those habits onto your business, right? So I'm just saying all this to say, anybody can do it, man. Anybody can do it. You are talking to a high school dropout right now. I had my first child when I was 19. I actually have a felony on my record. I got arrested before. You know what I mean? And it was very hard for me to find a decent job. The only jobs that I could find were crappy cleaning jobs, which were $8 and $9 an hour jobs. I can never live like that. You know what I mean? I stayed in the rat race of 9 to 5 and paycheck to paycheck. You know what I mean? And I just got so fed up with my life. I got so fed up. I was like, man, no, this ain't my life. This ain't my life, man. I want so much more. I got tired of seeing my mom living the way she was living. Man, the cleaning industry changed my world, man. I was able to take my mom out of her situation and put her in a brand new house. I was literally able to move my whole family out of the projects, So now I pay rent on a house and an apartment. So my rent alone is $3,300 a month just for rent. Okay. But I was able to do these things by creating this cleaning company, man, and outsourcing work, mastering how to outsource work, because that is where the growth actually came from. Mastering how to outsource all of my work. I outsource work. You know what I mean? So I just want to have this little pet talk with y'all, man, and let y'all know, man, you can do it too. And it's worth it. It is so worth it, man. Y'all don't understand. It is so worth it. Like, what the hell are you waiting for? Y'all need to get started. You don't even need me to be your coach. Like, it's so much free information out there on YouTube. Oh my gosh. But if you want to get there quicker, you can definitely join Tenacity Academy, and I can coach you, through all of your hard times, because you will go through your trials and tribulations. You will get stuck in certain areas. You will get frustrated. You will want to give up. Okay. I was there. Okay. That's why I decided to create Tenacity Academy, to help business owners out. And it's not even expensive. Some coaching programs are $5,000 and $10,000. Like this, I don't even charge much now. I can't tell you what the future may hold, but right now it's at a decent price, man. You know what I mean? But you don't even need me. If you don't have the money, utilize everything free. Okay? Everything free. I just want to see you win. That's all. Okay? So that's my message for today. I just want to let all y'all know that you can do it too. I did it. Single mom, 5 kids. I did it. Okay? And you can do it too. Okay? Until the next video, I'm out of here.
If you are looking to grow your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond, join Tenacity Academy Mentorship Program.